On our website, you can get PDF learning materials for free. Please visit englist.me.
Fascinate.
To attract and hold the attention of someone deeply and irresistibly.
Examples:
Fascinate the public. Fascinate the young. The magic tricks fascinated the children.
Unsolved.
Not yet understood, explained, or resolved, remaining a mystery or enigma.
Examples:
Unsolved mystery. Unsolved crime. The case remains unsolved after years of investigation.
Irritating.
Causing annoyance, frustration, or exasperation, provoking impatience or irritation.
Examples:
Irritating noise. Irritating behavior. The garbage can in the kitchen has been producing an irritating smell for days.
Unaccountable.
Not able to be explained or justified, often in a way that suggests something suspicious or dishonest is going on, not responsible or answerable for one's actions or behavior.
Examples:
Unaccountable behavior. Unaccountable decision. The unaccountable disappearance of funds led to an investigation.
Genie.
In Islamic mythology, a supernatural spirit that is usually depicted as being bound to serve a human master and possessing magical powers, a creature or a force that can grant wishes or fulfill desires.
Examples:
Genie bottle. Genie lamp. No one believed in the genie's existence until he appeared in front of them.
Correlate.
To have a connection or relationship in which one thing affects or depends on another.
Examples:
Correlate closely with the quality. Correlate to the size. We may frequently correlate age with the frequency of disease.
Misinterpret.
To understand or explain something in the wrong way.
Examples:
Misinterpret the purpose. Misinterpret the data. He misinterpreted her statement and got the wrong idea.
Annihilate.
To destroy completely, to cause something to cease to exist.
Examples:
Annihilate the enemy. Annihilate all doubts. The virus had the potential to annihilate entire populations if left unchecked.
Neuroscience.
The scientific study of the function, structure, and disorder of the brain and the nervous system.
Examples:
The branch of neuroscience. A theoretical concept in neuroscience. Our university is famous for its professors, who are well-versed in behavioral neuroscience.
Neuron.
A cell that is specialized to carry information within the brain and between the brain and other parts of the body.
Examples:
excite the neurons. Neuron cell body. Our body transfers information along each neuron using an electrical impulse.
Synapse.
The fact or state of failing to finish an activity and of stopping using, making, or doing it.
Examples:
synapse circuit. And at a synapse. Animals transmit nerve impulses through synapses.
Photoreceptor.
A specialized cell in the retina of the eye that responds to light and enables vision. There are two types of photoreceptor cells, rods and cones, that are responsible for different aspects of vision.
Examples:
photoreceptor cells. Damaged photoreceptor. Cone photoreceptors are responsible for color vision.
Glowing.
Highly enthusiastic, greatly praised.
Examples:
glowing reviews. Glowing cheeks. The western sky was glowing pink.
Reconstruct.
To build or form something again that has been damaged or destroyed.
Examples:
reconstruct an image. Reconstruct the original text. They've decided to reconstruct a ruined castle.
Ancestor.
A person from whom one is descended, a forefather.
Examples:
ancestor language. Earliest human ancestor. My remote ancestor immigrated to the United States from Ireland in the 1800s.
Beetle.
An insect having a hard shell-like back covering its wings.
Examples:
beetle browse. A beetle larva. In ancient civilizations, the scarab beetle was worshipped as a sacred creature.
Dimple.
A small natural indentation or crease, particularly on the surface of the skin, such as on the face or the back of the hand.
Examples:
baby dimple. Left dimple. Her smile was accentuated by the adorable dimple on her right cheek.
Glossy.
Having a smooth, shiny surface or finish, characterized by an attractive, polished appearance, often used to describe photographs or printed materials with a high-quality finish.
Examples:
glossy lipstick. Glossy photograph. The magazine cover had a glossy finish, making the images shine.
Flightless.
Unable to fly, either because of a physical lack of wings or because of an inability to sustain flight.
Examples:
flightless species. Flightless insect. The kiwi, an endemic species of New Zealand, is a curious example of a flightless bird.
Alight.
Lighted up by or as by fire or flame, verb, to come down.
Examples:
catch a light. A light from a train. The witness stated that he set a house alight.
Outback.
The remote and sparsely populated interior of Australia, typically characterized by arid deserts and scrubland.
Examples:
outback landscape. Outback adventure. The vast plains of the Australian outback stretch for miles in every direction.
Tickle.
To lightly touch a sensitive part of somebody's body in a way that makes them laugh.
Examples:
tickle his ribs. Tickle her vanity. These models explain why you can't tickle yourself.
Swarm.
A group of many things, such as insects, fishes, etc., in the air or water or on the ground.
Examples:
a swarm of mosquitoes. Locust swarm. A swarm of angry bees attacked because we had approached the hive.
Extinct.
No longer in existence.
Examples:
extinct by human activity. Long extinct volcano. Many species have become extinct due to habitat destruction and other human activities.
Mammal.
Any animal of which the female gives birth to live young, not eggs, and feeds her young on milk from her own body.
Examples:
a primitive mammal. A sort of mammal. Marine mammal populations are declining worldwide due to ocean pollution.
Doe.
A mature female of mammals of which the male is called a buck, such as a deer or a rabbit.
Examples:
doe rabbit. Buck and doe. Hunters use a whistle that makes the doe sound to lure stags.
Veridical.
Relating to or characterized by truth or reality, corresponding accurately to facts or reality, truthful, genuine, or authentic.
Examples:
veridical perception. Veridical evidence. The witness's veridical account of the crime helped to solve the case.
Counterintuitive.
Contrary to what common sense would suggest.
Examples:
counterintuitive results. Counterintuitive behavior. The counterintuitive nature of quantum physics has been a source of confusion for scientists for decades.
Intuition.
The ability to understand or know something without reasoning or evidence, a feeling that guides a person to do or believe something without fully understanding why.
Examples:
creative intuition. Intuition research. Some studies suggest that people's intuitions can be influenced by their experiences and biases.
Diode.
An electronic component that conducts current primarily in one direction and typically has two electrodes or terminals.
Examples:
Light-emitting diode, semiconductor diode. The diode in the circuit prevented the current from flowing in the wrong direction.
Physic.
A medicine or drug used to treat or alleviate illnesses, the practice of medicine or healing.
Examples:
Herbal physic, physic garden. The doctor suggested a dose of physic to help with his digestive issues.
Physicist.
A scientist who specializes in the field of physics.
Examples:
Talented physicist, theoretical physicist. Einstein was an outstanding and famous physicist of the 20th century.
Microscopic.
Tiny, exceedingly precise and detail-oriented, of or used in microscopy.
Examples:
Microscopic inquiry, microscopic analysis. Inspectors noticed microscopic cracks in the submarine's hull.
Magnify.
To make something look bigger than it really is, especially by looking at it through a lens. To make something bigger, stronger, or louder.
Examples:
Magnify the danger. Magnify the image for display. Terrorists often attempt to magnify the economic impact of their acts of destruction.
Space-time.
A four-dimensional continuum consisting of 3 dimensions of space and 1 dimension of time, used to describe the physical universe according to Einstein's theory of general relativity.
Examples:
Space-time continuum, quantum spacetime. The curvature of spacetime is affected by the presence of mass and energy.
Profoundly.
To a great or complete degree, deeply.
Examples:
Profoundly insightful. Sleep profoundly. The novel affected her profoundly, causing her to question her beliefs and values.
Deist.
A person who believes in the existence of a supreme being or creator, but rejects traditional religious doctrines and revelations, relying on reason and observation instead.
Examples:
Deist philosopher. Religious deist. The deist thinker saw no conflict between his faith in a divine entity and his acceptance of evolutionary theory.